TCL QM7L SQD Mini LED TV. Main specs are Super Quantum Dot SQD layer. Replaces standard quantum dot sheets with a refined Super QLED layer and an ultra-color filter panel. This eliminates color crosstalk and delivers pure white backlight distribution, achieving an incredible 100% BTE. 2020 color gamut. High-density zone dimming. Features up to 2,176 plus discrete precise dimming zones, depending on size. It uses condensed micro lenses to narrow light paths and eliminate the standard blooming halo effect around subtitles or bright objects. TSRAIPQ processor. Driven by an intelligent AI chip that handles real-time scene upscaling, auto contrast adjustments, dynamic sharpening, and facial tone enhancements. Audio by Bang & Olufsen. Includes a premium integrated audio channel layout co-engineered with Bang & Olufsen, supporting Dolby Atmos and DTS-X. It also supports Flex Connect to link compatible rear satellites and subwoofers wirelessly. 288 Hz game accelerator. Toggling the game master sub setting drops resolution vertically to enable a blistering 288 Hz VRR refresh rate for ultra-fast competitive PC gaming. Google TV OS. Runs Google TV with built-in Google Assistant hands-free voice control and integrated profiles. Sizing options. Available on Amazon and global retailers in 55, 65, 75, 85, and 98 configurations. Chassis design. Features a clean all-black bezel with a sleek, height-adjustable center metal pedestal stand to clear space for under-mounted soundbars.